Welcome to the Self-Service Portal, the one-stop shop for all things permitting in Indian Wells. To get started, go to cityofindianwells.org/permit-hub and click the Indian Wells Permit Hub image to access the self-service portal. On the homepage, returning visitors can simply click Login or Register and type in their username and password when prompted. First-time visitors will need to register for an account before continuing. From the homepage, click Login or Register and register here to make a new account. Once prompted, enter your email address and create a username and password. Next, fill out your personal information and select your contact preference so that you can receive timely updates on the status of your requests. Lastly, provide your home address and click Submit. Congratulations! You now have an account with the City of Indian Wells Self-Service Portal. If you have any questions, please call Indian Wells City Hall at 760-346-2489.